selected from search committee. It's a big difference between the two. So you will see the difference. It has been drafted by good, including Mr. Santosh Hegde. It's drafted by very good people who understood the law and understood the processes. Any other questions, sir?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Why the Anna team happened to be a group of some delegates and there is hardly any representatives from the other parts of India?
That's not true. We are a group of 27 people from different parts of India.
But
we are a core committee of almost 27 people. There are, you see, remember when the agitation started, it suddenly started. It was few people drafting the law, then the agitation started, we did not know what's going to happen, we did not know even people would come, but everybody came, and then the drafting committee of the Government of India was formed, but then the core committee was expanded. It has people from different parts of India. We have even from south, people from Trivandrum. I think some people are there from the south as well, from Goa, elsewhere. We have. But if you've seen, Anna now is expanding his team. But this is all in 1 year. This is only a 13-month-old story, my friend. We all started it in October last year. And this is November. It's only 13 months. And it's been happening and growing and learning. So this is one of the fastest movement with fastest result which will happen in this country. Fastest movement with fastest result. So it's an expanding core committee.
One more question, please. One of the allegations against you was you have diversified the funds for your NGO. And
so NGO is NGO.
Yeah, and you have justified it that it did for good purpose. Do you think that it is a good reason?
I did the right thing. DC invites me and says, I will give you business class fare today, come and attend my function. I come in economy class. I save 10,000 rupees or I save 5,000 rupees. I come in economy, he invites me to pay business class. I don't come in business class, I come in economy, and those 5,000 or 10,000 rupees go to a project or go to children's education. Is it wrong or right? This is what I did. This is what I did even now. So I save money. When you do children programs, when you do poor people's programs, you save every penny. Ask him. He's going to sign 4 books of mine. The royalty of the money is going to my NGO. Am I doing the right thing or wrong? And it is not now. For the last 15 years, all the work I've written, all the rewards I got, all the speaking fees I got has gone to my NGO. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
This is what I'm doing. Okay? Thank you. Any other question? Yes.
Now, Rahul Gandhi.
I got another 2 minutes. Okay.
Now, Rahul Gandhi is projected as the future face of India. Your take on that, sir?
What I've told you, if you still have a doubt, ask him. If you still have a doubt, ask me. Okay. Are you convinced now? Okay, good.
Now Rahul Gandhi is projected as the future face of India.
Rahul Gandhi is what?
Rahul Gandhi is projected as future face of India.
Projected as future face of India.
What's your take on that?
People will decide. It's you and people will decide which is going to be the future face of this country. Let's have the last question.
People are not worried about sending dirty money to 70 foreign banks.
People are not worried
about sending money by film stars, businessmen and the top politicians like Chidambaram to 70 foreign banks, including Swiss Bank.
Yes.
But they are
worried about
pointing allegations against the Anna team.
They are worried about the small saving which we are making for an NGO, but they are not worried about the money going from Swiss banks. No, they are worried. It's a very few who are worried otherwise. People are worried. It's a very few who are worried about the small savings. People are worried about the money to be coming back from Swiss banks. And if India's destiny has to change, these names have to come out publicly sooner or later. This is where India's destiny will change. When those big names will come, who are probably somewhere in very important positions, I think India's destiny will change. And I think we've all done good karma for Indian destiny to change. Let's pray that Indian destiny changes. Thank you very much and wish you all the very best.